Wow.
Just so. Sleight of hand has its limits. To achieve a new level of impossibility, you need something else. I know it's hard to believe, but what you just saw can be done in real life. 2, 3. Just so. After the solve, you can then hand it out for examination. You want to check now?
Yeah, I want to check.
Okay, take a look. It's a real cube. Or continue with any of your favorite routines. You know how long I can solve? 1 second. Right. There are no complicated parts. It's a reliable gimmick that will last forever. Thank you. This is Audi Insta.